Uh, Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're starting a new series of coding with um, break scripting. Yep, that's what I call it. That's what we call it. Right, let's get right into it, shall we? The first thing we're gonna want to do is create a new script. Um, I'll just show you how to do it. You just click a brick and click BrickScript. Oh shit, my older code. Alright, before we do anything else, I want you guys to create another script, name it handler, then hit BrickScript. This will create another BrickScript, as you can see. Now, for those who are impatient, I'll quickly complete our code. While I'm completing my code, you're just going to replicate what I'm doing on your side. Let's go. I take while loop. Let's take player join trigger. While run. Wait 10. Let's make this 10. Alright, now I'm going to explain how it works. Player join. Table handler detects when a player joins and triggers, triggers this function as a whole. So it'll run or while loop. What is a while loop? While loop basically runs this forever. These two blocks forever. It'll run whatever is inside forever. Run fire, or the function is named fire, by the way. Wait 10, run fire, wait 10, run fire, wait 10. Alright. Now I'm going to explain what this function does when it's fired. It increases the brick position, as you can see, but what is -1? Why is it there? Why is 0? Why is this at 0 again? Alright, let's take a look at our brick. Let me hide the UI and show you. Alright, what do we want it to do? We want our brick to shoot right in the direction of this arrow, right? So, this direction is actually this. So, if you want it to shoot in this arrow's direction, it will be here. If you wanted it to shoot in the direction of the blue arrow, we would make this -1 instead of the other ones. If we wanted to make it shoot in the direction of the green arrow, as you can guess, it'll be the last argument. If -1 goes in the direction you want it to, you make it -1. Otherwise, make it 1. For me, it's -1. You can't really tell if it's -1 because there are two red arrows, as you can see. Now we gotta test it, guys. Let's hit play and we'll see that yes, the table is shooting right through us. If you could tell by my acting, it would be obvious that I actually knew that would happen. So let me explain why it happened. To put it simply, I actually had to use the trigger named onEvent. Then I gotta use emit event and run it just like that. Now, why did I do it like this? An event is something that occurs by itself, more specifically on itself. For example, the volcano erupted. What erupted here? It's the volcano. The bullet has been shot. What has been shot? The bullet. So, in a event, we understand that the brick context here is our bullet, not our table. But on the other hand, if I make this function, it will have the brick context of our table. So it will run increase our table's position instead of the bullet. Now, to test our theory, I'll hit play. But before that, since I am so sure of myself, I'll duplicate these bullets and expect them to shoot right at me. Let's go. Is this enough? No, people could get through these gaps. What did I do? Holy, okay. I duplicated them the wrong way. Just one more. Alright, let's actually, before hitting play, I want to give them a shape. Ooh, like they're waves. They're waves of bullets. Alright. Hit play. Boom. Jump. Right, guys. That was it for our brick scripting tutorial. Alright, goodbye. See you later.